Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. In this video, we are going to talk about Kinesis Data Stream terminology and flow. Let's start. As always, I'm going to start with introduction. You guys are already aware about Amazon Kinesis Stream, but to perform lab, you have to understand some of the terminology step by step, and we will discuss about it in this video. Again, we will use same Uber example so you can understand all the terminology using our same example. I'm going to start with first terminology called producer. Producer means the system that sends data to Kinesis. Means it is an app which is actually producing data and sending it to the Kinesis. The application that generates data and send it to the Kinesis is called producer. If I'm going to talk about our Uber example, Uber driver mobile app equal to producer. The driver app continuously sends live update like driver location, trip started, trip completed, payment received. So here Uber driver app is a producing data, so we can say that it is a producer. Now producer is actually sending records to the Kinesis stream. So producer is generating the data and then it is sending data to stream, and this data is called record. Record means one small piece of data sent to Kinesis. One event or one message is called record. Again, I am going to use Uber example. One cab send one location update. That's single update is our record. Our records are always in a JSON format. So remember, one cab update equal to one record. If one driver app sends location every 5 seconds, then every location update become new record, right? Now, question is, producer is sending record, but how Kinesis is going to receive it? So the first step is to create stream inside Kinesis, right? So what is stream? Let's understand this. Stream means a main live data pipeline. We have to go to the Kinesis and we have to create stream. Once you create stream, pipeline is ready. So when producer will send record, stream means Kinesis can able to receive this. Stream is a place where all real-time record come continuously. Uber example, Uber driver app sending records to Kinesis data stream. All driver apps send their data, cab data into the Kinesis data stream. You can imagine stream like a live road where data is moving continuously. Here the data is flowing live because it is a real-time process. Now, inside stream, we need to configure shard. So when we will configure stream, it will ask about shard. So what is shard? Let's understand this. Shard is a small part of Kinesis data stream. Kinesis data stream is like a highway and shard is like one lane inside the highway. So if you have highway with more lanes, it can able to manage more traffic. Okay, so more shard means Kinesis can able to handle more traffic. Here we are going to use same Uber example. Suppose Uber has only few cabs sending location updates every few seconds. In this case, one lane is enough, so one shard may be enough. But suppose Uber has thousands of cabs sending live data continuously like cab location, cab speed, trip status, driver status. Now, one lane cannot handle all this traffic smoothly. So Kinesis uses multiple shard that we need to configure during stream creation, right? Just like a highway has a multiple lane. So we have shard 1, it can handle traffic of some cab drivers. Then we have shard 2, which can able to handle traffic of some other drivers. So multiple shard means your Kinesis stream can handle more traffic. Easy comparison, Kinesis data stream equal to highway, shard equal to lane, record equal to one cab update. So more cab data means more traffic and more shard helped Kinesis to handle that traffic smoothly. Now, one note, at this stage, we are only understanding shard helps Kinesis to handle more data traffic. Exactly how much data one shard can write and read, and what is the write capacity and read capacity, we will understand later during practical demo section. So in the next, we are going to perform lab. At that time, we will talk about how much traffic one shard can handle. Okay, right now you just need to understand what is shard, and I hope you got complete idea about it. Now, let's talk about another terminology. We call it sequence number. Sequence number is a unique number given to each record by Kinesis. As you know that producer is sending record. Now each record will get one unique number. We call it sequence number.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.